Under partial variation, a quantity relates with two quantities in two parts. Okay. Now, there are 2 points we must note under partial variation, and this is where students get it wrong. So, if you are told that a quantity is constant and partly varies with another quantity, let's assume that the two quantities are x and y. So, this is what you should have, that your x is equals to k plus cy, where k and c are constants. Okay. Now, the second point to note is that if you are told that a quantity varies with another quantity and partly varies with another quantity, this is how your working equation should look like. X is equals to ct plus m over y, where your c and m are constants. Okay, so these are the 2 points to note when you are solving problem under partial variation. Let's look at the problem that we have here on the board. Now the question says if y is partly constant and partly varies with x, and y is equals to 10 when x is equals to 2, and y is equals to 18 when x is equals to 4. The question says find A, the formula that connects y and x. B, find y when x is equals to 5. Now, let's look at the question. So we have solution. Now, the first part of the question says that y is partly constant. So that means that our y is equals to c and partly varies with x. So our y is equals to c plus mx, where our c and m are constants. So from the question, our y is equals to 10, y is equals to 10 when x is equals to 2, and secondly, y is equals to 18 when x is equals to 4. So y is equals to 18 when x is equals to 4. So this will lead us to simultaneous equation, and for you to solve problem under partial variation, you must understand simultaneous equation. Okay, so let's solve the problem. So this is our working formula. So we have 10 is equals to, our c is constant, so we have c plus our m is also a constant. So we have our x is what? Is 2. So we have 2m. So this is the first equation. From the second part, we have it that y is equals to 18. So we have 18 is equals to c plus our x is 4. So we have c plus 4m. And this is equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. We have subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay. 18 minus 10 will give us 8 is equals to c minus c is 0. So we'll have 4m minus 2m will give us what? Will give us 2m. Okay. So therefore, our m is equals to what? 8 divided by what? 2. And that will give us 4. So we substitute the value of m in equation 1. You can make use of any of the equation. So that means that any place we see m, we replace it with what? With 4 in equation 1. So our equation 1 is 10 is equals to c plus what? 2. That means that 10 is equals to c plus 2 times what? Our m is 4. So we have 2 times 4. Our 10 is equals to c plus what? 2 times 4 is what? 8. Taking 8 to this side, we're going to have 10 minus 8 is equals to c. So therefore, our c is equal 10 minus 8 is what? Is 2. From the A part of the question, we are told to find the formula that connects y and x. Now, what you have to do here is to substitute the value of the constant, which is what? We have m is equals to 4 and c is equals to 2 into the working equation that you have. Okay. So if we do that, we are going to have, that is the A part, that our y is equals to, our c is 2, so we have 2 plus our m is 4, we have 2 plus 4x, okay? So this is the formula that connects y and x. The B part says find y when x is 5. So let's look at that. We have find y, so y is unknown, when x is equals to what? 5. So from the formula that connects y and x, our y will be equals to 2 plus 4 times x, which is what? 5. Okay? So our y will be equals to 2 plus 4 times 5 is 20. So this will give us 22. So this is how to solve problems under partial variation. Thank you very much. Make sure you share this